Slide from the sun deck to the dock in seconds. Taste India at sea. Play dodgeball under disco lights at midnight. Or perhaps say cheers to the horizon in a floating sky loop. What if Virgin Voyages dared to reimagine it all? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. We love Virgin Voyages, but one of the things that we don't particularly love is that, well, their ships are all pretty much exactly the same, apart from very small tweaks to them.
What this video is about is just kind of born from our imaginations to create some kind of signature item or piece that we'd love to see on Virgin Voyages in the future. Just something to make each individual ship really stand out and have a point of difference. And again, this is just born from our imaginations. We can only hope that Virgin Voyages would see the video and agree with it and implement some of it.
Yeah, we've had a bit of fun with it, so stick around and let's see what we've come up with. So our first concept is a slide. Adults still love to play and have fun. Why not on an adult-only ship have a slide? In this context, we've got a slide going all the way from the top, where you've actually currently got the cargo net, going all the way down to the dock house. I mean, how cool would that be?
Yeah, it's kind of inspired by Royal Caribbean's Abyss, and it's just really something to create a difference.
Yeah, just a bit of fun, really.
Yeah.
I mean, one of the great things I think about Virgin Voyages is how they cater to adults. But as I say, adults like to play it and have fun as well. And just the thought of having something like that on an adult-only ship with no kids that kind of take over it, it'd be amazing, right?
It would, like just being up on the reds, as we call them, getting like a really good tan, and then just be like, you know what, I fancy a grapevine. I'm just gonna hop up and literally slide into the dock and order away.
Imagine it, and then just sit on one of those beautiful plush sofas and just relax.
Maybe get a chocolate pot as well. Yeah. For our next item, we'd really love to see some kind of inspiration from celebrity cruises on the Edge class ships. Imagine the magic carpet bar, the one that goes up and down on the edge of the ships, but a Virgin Voyages kind of pod style that go around the running track or jogging court, depends. We think it'd be a really cool addition and a really kind of interesting feature to have a bar that would go around the outer circumference of the ship. Imagine the views you would get from that as well.
It would be beautiful. The way I see it, it's like it kind of travels along like a little monorail track almost. But yeah, I suppose like the pods would be on like a monorail and it would just go around the actual ship. How cool would that be?
It would be pretty cool. Even if they had like 4 or 5 of them, so they'd only have like a few people, maybe 10, 12 people per pod, but a few different pods. So almost like the London Eye, but on its side and around the ship.
And the way I see it, it's kind of feasible because you see these little mini roller coasters on the cruise ships and all that. So I think it would actually work really well.
Like the technology, the engineering is there. It's just repurposing it for something different.
I think that'd be amazing.
I think it'd be pretty cool.
Just something really different and really cool.
Yes.
So for our next concept, we are taking you to India. The one thing that we think Virgin Voyages is missing, especially from a cuisine point of view, is an Indian-themed cuisine restaurant. And, well, we thought of a name for you, Virgin Voyages. It's called Rasa Restaurant. What does Rasa mean again?
Loosely, it means flavour or taste.
Yeah. But imagine that, having a few beers or cocktails and then towards the end of the night being able to go into this beautiful Indian cuisine restaurant, but filled with lots of Virgin Voyages flair. It would be amazing.
It would, and it just takes, again, another turn, so it's not a carbon copy on every ship, even down to the restaurants. It would create some kind of like taste point of difference for a specific ship. And I think it's a really interesting route that Virgin could look to in the future to just diversify their ships a bit and give a real reason to try different ships.
Yeah, absolutely. And the thing is with Virgin Voyages, they are exceptional when it comes to food overall anyway. And just the thought of being able to get a really good proper curry aboard a Virgin Voyages ship is just wow.
It just feels like it makes complete sense.
Whilst we thought of loads of different ideas and lots more to come, let us know if you've got any ideas down in the comments below. We'd really like to hear from you.
Next, one thing that we would really love to see on any cruise ship, but I think Virgin in particular because they already do a stargazing event would be to actually take that extra mile and build in some kind of observatory. Whether that has a telescope or not, up for discussion, but some kind of like actual venue that's elevated from the ship. Like imagine Royal Caribbean's North Star, the one that actually takes you up into the air. Imagine that, but designed as an observatory so you can actually stargaze. They do these additions to their like daily or nightly itineraries where you can stargaze with the hostess. Imagine if they actually had a true venue for that where you could really look up at the sky, particularly at sea, like if they could kind of make it so it blacks out the lighting so you can truly see the night sky. How incredible would that be? That would be just beautiful.
It could be beautiful, and because we've kind of taken reference from another ship, again, it just kind of shows that it could actually be feasible. Just slowly rising up and the lights kind of dimming down and just being able to look up and check out the stars in the middle of the ocean. It just sounds perfect.
Exactly. Imagine that on a Northern Lights cruise, like just actually being up there. So you're still warm because you're in some kind of pod and just looking at the beauty of the sky.
Be beautiful.
Yes.
Our next concept is, well, a speakeasy. So MSC's Europa does have a speakeasy, so we're kind of nicking this from them. But of course, it would have its own Virgin Voyages flair. Hidden in plain sight, it would be so cool just to be able to sneak into a tiny little bar with just a little cocktail bar in the background. Maybe Abby, the hostess, in the corner, singing some jazz tunes. I don't know, Aqua Barbie Girl that we've heard her do before. I can just see it now.
Yeah, it feels very kind of on brand for Virgin Voyages to do that. It'd almost be like a next step to the manor where they do like the hostess sings their secrets, but almost like a dedicated venue that doesn't need to happen on Scarlet Night. It's just there on a nightly basis. Just even if they just tag the like special sailors who get to the backstage passes, but just like a more permanent venue to do that in.
Yeah.
It'd be a really cool addition, and I think something that feels really for us like on brand for Virgin Voyages to consider.
Yeah, and keep it a secret, but maybe put little hints around just to kind of suggest that there is a speakeasy bar. Yeah. I think that could be so much fun.
Exactly. Like in the social club, don't they have like an old phone, like a touch tone phone? Like maybe there is actually like a number in there somewhere where you call it to get access to the speakeasy, just to make it kind of like a bit full circle.
Yeah, I'd like that.
For our next concept, what we think could be really interesting for Virgin to do, potentially controversial, is revamp their arcades slightly. So I think everyone loves going in and having the nostalgic vibe of like the old school arcade games and everything, and it's amazing that they're free.
Yeah.
I think they could potentially take it the next step and almost create like an onboard flight club. Like, you know, the virtual reality, like darts venues, they even do like shooting ones. I think repurpose that space to be something like that to make it more than what it is, like elevate it again to the next level.
Yeah, absolutely. And maybe make it a bit more of a sports bar, kind of like Playmakers on Royal Caribbean. That could be cool, because I love the social club as it is, don't get me wrong. But just, again, something to add a point of difference. So maybe keep the social clubs on some of the ships, but have this new variant on a different one. It would incentivize people to try the different ships rather than just going, well, we've been on Valiant Lady, we've kind of done them all.
Yeah, and this is what this video is all about. Like, we wouldn't imagine like everything to be carbon copy rolled out on every single ship, obviously.
No, that would get very expensive.
It would, but almost like pick and choose. And what we're really kind of saying is like, Virgin Voyages is amazing, but it does get a bit samey. Like we had an article in Sail Away magazine about this very topic, which kind of started the inspiration for the video. And it's like, how could Virgin Voyages diversify their ships to make people need to go on all of the individual ones, because they'd have a different experience rather than having the same good experience on all the ships. So by the time you've done the whole circuit, it's very predictable. You know what's coming, and this is about mixing things up and really keeping their passengers on their toes. Or flippers.
For our next concept, well, going back to old school days, Dodgeball. Stay with us. So maybe in the red room, they could make it into like a neon style room and just have a massive dodgeball party. Obviously, a couple of drinks in between, softballs, but imagine it at midnight, just going crazy and having a bit of fun with dodgeball.
Exactly. Like, this is more about things that could be lifted and shifted really quickly rather than kind of wholesale builds of new venues. But everyone loved that lesson in PE when it was dodgeball. Like, you just had the most fun. We would use softer balls just to prevent injury.
Yeah.
And it just feels, again, like something that you'd have a lot of fun with. Virgin Voyages to us is all about being a big kid again and just having fun.
Exactly.
And how much fun did you have playing dodgeball?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I caught it, I'm safe. Ugh.
Next, for those of you that have sailed with Virgin Voyages before, you'll probably know that they've got karaoke booths. It's really cool, especially for people that are a little bit shy and don't want to sing in front of an audience. Now, our idea is to take that and just elevate it a little bit. How about if inside these karaoke booths, there was a camera, a green screen behind you, a mic, so you could stand there and record your own music video. How cool would that be?
Yeah. I think it just takes, it's groupie, isn't it, the karaoke booths now. So it's just kind of, again, taking it to another level, just differentiating it, evolving it, kind of upscaling it with Virgin Voyages as they grow and mature as a lion.
And just having something to actually take home with you as well would be great. And for Virgin Voyages, you could charge for it as well.
Exactly, yeah. Even if you just had it as almost like a disposable video on the ship, but you'd have the ability to then put it on a USB stick, similar to if you go to a tourist attraction, like when we did the swing at Adam in Amsterdam. Just similar to that, just so you had this kind of forever piece that you could take with you. Yeah,
I think it'd be so much fun, and you know, especially if you went in there with friends, you could get them as backing dancers and that kind of thing. You could have a real good time with it.
Yeah.
So hopefully they'll listen and do that, because I'd definitely pay for that. Would you?
I would pay for it for you.
We've had a really good time just coming up with these fun and wacky concepts. Again, if you've got any ideas, let us know in the comments. Make them as wild, wacky and fun as possible. The more the merrier, right?
Exactly. We really did have a lot of fun putting this one together, especially trying to use ChatGPT's Sora feature. As you might have noticed, some very interesting AI animated concepts in the video. We had a real giggle putting them together.
The naan bread that turns into
a bowl for the Rasa Restaurant. If you really enjoyed this video, we'd love to hear, because we've got loads more ideas for other cruise ships, so we will be putting out more concept videos in the future. So stick around and subscribe to see those.
Give it a big old like as well. That really lets us know that you're enjoying the content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again next time. And until then, why not check out one of these amazing Virgin Voyages playlists?